Prepare to be dazzled, or perhaps dimmed. In a twist worthy of a cosmic plot, scientists have discovered that Earth has lost a surprising amount of its shine in just 3 years. Our planet, once a radiant blue marble, is now reflecting noticeably less sunlight back into space. Researchers were so stunned by the data, they double-checked their instruments, only to confirm the dimming was real. It's as if Earth hit the cosmic dimmer switch, leaving both scientists and the planet itself squinting in disbelief. This unexpected drop in brightness has sparked a flurry of questions about what it means for our climate and future. One thing's for sure, the universe just got a little bit darker, and a whole lot more intriguing. For over 20 years, scientists have been observing a curious glow called Earthshine, the gentle light our planet bounces onto the moon, making its dark side faintly visible from Earth. This cosmic mirror has served as a subtle indicator of how much sunlight our world reflects back into space. But lately, Earthshine is dimming at a pace that would make even your most worn-out socks jealous. The fading reflection signals a change in Earth's albedo, hinting that less sunlight is being bounced away and more is being absorbed. This unexpected twist has left researchers both puzzled and concerned, as it could have profound effects on our climate. The story of Earthshine is no longer just a lunar curiosity. It's become a crucial clue in understanding the health of our planet. Introducing the fearless squad of science led by Philip Good, who embarked on a 2-decade mission to measure Earth's reflected light. Because who doesn't love a long-term commitment? For 17 years, their data was as steady as a metronome, and some team members even considered calling it quits. But, true to their word, they powered through the final 3 years, only to be blindsided by a jaw-dropping discovery. Suddenly, Earth's brightness took a nosedive, leaving the scientists wondering if their instruments were playing tricks on them. After triple-checking their findings, the verdict was in. The planet really was dimming. Sometimes, persistence pays off in the most unexpected and electrifying ways. Hold on to your sunglasses, because Earth is officially getting darker. Scientists have measured a 0.5% drop in our planet's reflectivity, or albedo, which translates to an extra 0.5 watts of solar energy being soaked up by every square meter. That's not just a tiny blip. It's like Earth decided to swap out its shiny disco ball for a matte finish. With more sunlight being absorbed, temperatures could be on the rise, and climate experts are watching the numbers with raised eyebrows. So next time you feel a little extra warmth, remember, it's not just you, it's the whole planet turning down the brightness. At first, scientists thought they'd made a colossal mistake. Surely the numbers couldn't be right. But after meticulously triple-checking every calculation, the verdict was in. Earth really is getting dimmer. And not just by a smidge, but at a pace that left even the experts scratching their heads. Compared to the previous 17 years, this recent drop in reflectivity is happening at lightning speed. The data was so surprising, some researchers almost didn't believe their own eyes. Yet, the evidence stood firm, confirming that our planet's sudden darkening is no illusion. It's a discovery that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, raising urgent questions about what comes next. So, who's behind Earth's sudden dimming act? The main suspect is a dramatic drop in cloud cover, particularly along the west coasts of North and South America. Here, the Pacific Decadal Oscillation, think of it as the climate's plot twist, has shifted gears, cranking up sea surface temperatures and sending clouds packing. With fewer clouds to bounce sunlight back into space, more solar energy is now being soaked up by the planet. It's as if Earth decided to ditch its sunblock right when the sun's shining brightest. This unexpected change has scientists both baffled and concerned, as it could have far-reaching effects on our climate system. Clouds might look like harmless cotton candy in the sky, but they're actually Earth's first line of defense against the sun's relentless rays. When these fluffy guardians take a day off, more sunlight slips through, heating up the planet and giving Earth a bit of an unwanted sunburn. The result? Our world becomes not only warmer, but also noticeably less reflective. Think of it as Earth losing its natural sparkle. So, next time you see a clear blue sky, remember, it's not just good weather, it's also a sign that our planet's protective shield is thinning. And that extra sunlight isn't just making your ice cream melt faster, it's quietly turning up the global thermostat. Despite all the scientific suspense, experts are still scratching their heads over whether this sudden dimming will send global warming into overdrive. What they do know is that Earth's energy balance is now as steady as a tightrope walker caught in a gusty breeze. With more sunlight being soaked up and less reflected back into space, our planet's thermal equilibrium is facing some serious turbulence. The big question remains: how will Earth handle this unexpected extra dose of heat? As researchers race to untangle the mystery, the world watches, waiting to see if this cosmic plot twist will rewrite the rules of our climate. The mystery deepens as scientists race against time to unravel the consequences of Earth's unexpected darkening. What does this sudden shift in reflectivity spell for our planet's delicate climate balance? Experts are poring over data, running simulations, and debating theories, all in hopes of predicting how ecosystems, weather patterns, and even human societies might be affected. Will this extra absorbed sunlight accelerate global warming, or are there hidden feedback loops waiting to surprise us? As the investigation intensifies, one thing is certain: the fate of Earth's climate and the future of every living creature hangs in the balance.